attacks on Sufis and other liberals and the activism of Zakir Naik clearly show that anti-India activities are being strengthened. Sufi Kausar Majidi. Zakir Naik, who heard the sentiments of crores of people in India by making controversial statements on the Sufi community and their elders, and the grandson of the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhis salam, and who is the source of inspiration for terrorists in Bangladesh, has finally reached Pakistan. The welcome given to Zakir Naik, as soon as he reached Pakistan, is enough to make it clear that, even though Zakir Naik has reached Pakistan physically for the first time, the ideological convoy of the disciple of Dr. Isra Qasmi, the mastermind of Ghazwa-e-Hind, the agenda of anti-India activities, bearing the stamp of Muslim Brotherhood, has already reached Pakistan. Zakir Naik's coming out openly after the Bangladesh incident, and his arrival in Pakistan, which has been traditionally an enemy of India, and his welcoming like a hero with open hearts, makes many things clear in itself. There is no doubt that after the death of Isra Qasmi, a void was created in the Ahle Hadiths and Wahhabis working on the ideology of Muslim Brotherhood, which Zakir Naik was indirectly working to fill, but now his physical arrival in Pakistan will further accelerate the pace of Ghazwa-e-Hind, the agenda of anti-India activities, due to which all the countrymen need to be alert. In many of my previous articles, I have exposed the fact that how programs of anti-India activities have been going on in Pakistan. Pakistani Army and ISI have established fronts against India by placing their people in every religious group of Pakistan. In the Pakistani Barelvi sect, Mullah Ilyas is engaged in Mission Ghazwa-e-Hind through his Dawat-e-Islami, while the dreaded and notorious person who issues fatwas of jihad to spread terror in Kashmir through Tehreek-e-Labbaik and Tehreek-e-Siratul Mustaqim is involved in anti-India activities. Convicted by the Danish court, Pakistani Barelvi Mullah Ashraf Asif Jalali, banned in Saudi Arabia, Saad Razvi, son of terrorist Khadim Razvi, notorious for opposing India, is carrying out his anti-India activities along with Hafiz Saeed through his Tehreek-e-Labbaik. Apart from this, another mullah involved in anti-India activities, under the guise of Nathwani, whose spiritual guru lives in India, is also involved in that. The anti-India movement of Ghazwa-e-Hind is also being run by Uwais Raza. Apart from this, other Pakistani Barelvi mullahs, including singers like Hafiz Tahir and cadres of Dawat-e-Islami, are continuously working on the agenda of anti-India activities of Ghazwa-e-Hind. Pakistani Wahhabi Deobandi fundamentalist groups, which include Hafiz Saeed and others, are engaged in this work. The speed with which fundamentalist forces, who have immense love and devotion towards Zakir Naik, have gained strength after the political upheaval in Bangladesh is enough to make it clear how anti-India forces are being given an opportunity. And the attacks on Sufis and other liberals, who are in favor of world brotherhood, Hindu-Muslim unity and friendship with India, are making it clear that anti-India activities are being strengthened from all directions. Zakir Naik's presence in Pakistan and the crowd of his ideological supporters are a cause of concern for every nationalist Indian citizen. A documentary on an article of Sufi Muhammad Kausar Hassan Majidi, Advocate, National President, Sufi Khanqa Association.